A lasting power of attorney is a legal document whereby an individual, known as the donor, appoints another individual who they trust as an attorney to make those important financial and health decisions on your behalf if you lose the capacity to do so yourself. An attorney is the person who has been entrusted by the donor to make those important financial decisions on their behalf when they no longer have the capacity themselves at some point in the future. You can have more than one attorney or just the one, and they can act jointly or severally, or jointly and severally, but they must be over the age of 18, and also it's important that they have the capacity to understand what they're doing at the time of making those important decisions for you. So there are two types of lasting powers of attorney. There's the property and affairs and health and welfare. With the property and affairs lasting power of attorney, you're giving the attorney the responsibility to make those important financial decisions on your behalf. And these can range from paying your bills, withdrawing monies, managing your bank accounts, to more serious expenses and financial obligations, such as taking into consideration the cost of care, paying care fees, even having the ability to sell your main residence to pay for long-term care. With a health and welfare lasting power of attorney, you're giving the attorney the power to make important health decisions on your behalf when you're no longer able to do so yourself. These can be such as allowing or refusing medical treatment, to make sure they're establishing a place to live for you, and also they can make important decisions about life-sustaining treatment if ever needed. It is very important, however, that you specifically state what you would want in that event within the lasting power of attorney document. If there are no specific instructions of what you would want, the decision will be left down to a medical professional. The fact is, more and more people are living for longer. The Office of National Statistics estimate that there's currently 14,000 people who are aged 100 or over in the UK. And according to the Alzheimer's Society, the number of people who have dementia is significantly increasing in the UK. NHS UK estimate that 1 in 3 people over the age of 65 will develop dementia. So as you can see, it's paramount that the correct provisions are in place for an attorney to act on your behalf when they need to. The government website and the Age UK website have a lot of useful information, and although you can set up a lasting power of attorney yourself by completing the relevant documentation, a solicitor may be best placed to provide specific guidance and set this up for you, as well as register it for you. Of course, please do speak to your courtier's advisor, who can provide further information and point you in the right direction.